All right, we got a package in today. I'll be doing a review of this set of radios here within the next week or so. Kind of wanted to give you a sneak peek. This is not an unboxing. It's just me taking them out of the package. But let's see what we got. So this was ordered as a set, and we want to see what they look like. So these are two HTs. We'll get one out of the way. So in this set, it's like 150, 160 bucks. You get two HTs and a 25-watt mobile. Looks like they come with a programming cable, two different programming cables, charger. Looks like it's USB. That's kind of new for me. Most of them aren't that I have. You get the orange radio. Got a flashlight on it. Once again, we'll be doing a review within the next week or so after I get to tinker with them a little bit. That fits tight.
Welcome to.
Welcome to. All right, so there's the HT that you get. And let's take a look at the mobile. I'm going to go in and figure out how easy it is to program these, how to set up repeater channels. Can you do multiple repeater channels? We're going to take a look at all of that. So here, wow, that's interesting. It's a little wider than the QYT, but definitely more shallow, it looks like. Display on there. All right, well, hope you're as excited as I am about giving these a try. I will be back, like I said, within about a week with a review here at Medina County, Texas GMRS, and we will let you know how they work. Look forward to seeing you back here again to take a peek at these radios. Join us on our Facebook page, Medina County, Texas GMRS. Like, subscribe, share these videos if you would please. We'd appreciate it. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.